Like,
currently taking out the e36 suspension, replacing it with Billstein suspension. Oh, it's over here. There's a spring shock.
you have a smaller 18 half-inch.
It's brand new.
It's not like extended. Those
Yeah.
are all extended. Yeah.
There's my car right there.
You can use the chromoly, just like don't go crazy with it, like in back and forth.
It's gonna look
'cause
sick.
it will blow that
Got
thing.
camber.
Should I do it like at an angle?
No, I'd hit it flat on so you actually contact the bolt. And make sure that
It's gonna be
is, like, really
a
on.
long day.
Good enough. Fucking send her right out.
At the BMW wheel graveyard.
There's no way I can reach that with this.
Still working on the same wheel. It's been about an hour. Trying to get a spring compressor.
Why can't we put the compressors on that?
I'm gonna change the oil and the coolant on my car because it's due for checkup.
No, it's like
Got 2 jack stands. Just the
but now we can fit the whole thing on.
Oh, okay. that's
AC
not-
kit.
Start screwing it with the.
What a stripped down e36 trunk looks like.
Put the nut on. Move to the right. Move to the right.
Got the carpet. Hopefully we can get this off, and hopefully the other ones are not as hard to get off because it's fucking annoying.
What was that?
It's the spring that moves up and down.
Jesus Christ, that's so scary. It like moves so rapidly.
Well, it's because this came back up.
Dude, stop. You're like retarded. That's how it's gonna like shoot out of the side.
I've done it 4 times already. How I get it up on the perch. Off the perch.
It's like how to not remove a spring.
Alright, we can wait for Drew to do it then.
Or we can use the
Fill
compressor.
out.
much.
It's real black. Oh, it's dripping
God,
on
it's
me.
dripping.
Oh, it's smelly.
How good does it look? It's
At least there's no
pitch
metal
black.
shavings. It definitely needed an oil change.
Why?
It's black.
I thought that's what oil was supposed to look like.
No,
Fucking, this shit is just dripping all over me.
Where?
Holy, this shit is filling up quick, boys.
Keep it level.
let me get another.
Oh boy.
Do you think we're gonna need another apparatus? We only have 3 gallons of oil.
It's a 7-gallon tank. It's a 7-gallon
7
pan.
gallons of oil?
Or 7 quart.
Oh,
7 gallons of oil.
oh, look, there's no way.
No,
My
it's
arm is
7
getting
gallons.
tired.
truck.
You
No,
are.
it's not slowing down, dude.
You can put it down if you angle it right. It should be angled right.
No, you can't.
I mean, it'll start slowing down. It's starting to slow down. Let's go. It's pissing itself.
Is it slowing down? It doesn't look like it.
The stream is getting tinier.
My arm
Wow,
is...
look at how good that stuff on the top looks. That is not slowing down, Noah.
Dude, we need another apparatus.
Do we really? Noah, do we have anything else?
Use the fucking use that.
No, dude.
We need an apparatus,
It's
dude.
empty.
Should we use this?
Yes. It's
Just
empty.
fucking funnel her in?
Give it to Braden.
My arm is getting so tired.
Oh, fuck.
Wait, we're good for another like couple minutes. We might not need it. Oh, my neck is so tired.
Do not drop that. That's
I'm Mooney's good. Mooney's good.
That
It's so
is-
hot. I can feel it through the thing. This is real full.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, pour some in there.
Here, I'll do this. Ready?
I like how Noah got that on video.
Go. You're good. It's going in here now.
I don't know what I'm supposed to fucking... Oh, dude, it's so just like heavy.
Yeah, no.
Just
like
get it on a flat
folded.
surface. Get it on a flat.
fuck.
How is this like this big of a process under there?
Dude, oh, fuck! Oh, fuck!
Crazy.
Dude.
Oh my god.
You dumbass! No way! You are just so
No, there's a BP oil spill in your driveway.
Noah, come fucking hold this. It's not my fucking car.
Is it not like?
Come fucking hold it. It's not my fucking car.
Okay, fucking.
Being a retard.
I didn't do anything.
I know, but you're sitting there